Ow, you're stepping on my toe.
Ew.
It's serious, girl. Oh.
Mmm, that looks so good in there.
Cheese, Daddy, cheese. Oh.
Did you get a big spoon?
Yeah, there's big spoons. I don't like big spoons.
Okay, everybody tell me what you're going to go as for Halloween this year.
Claire from the Nutcracker.
All right. Yay. And you?
Mama. What are you gonna make?
Jake.
Who's Jake?
It's me, the pirate.
A pirate.